to add profile in Crunchyroll. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add profiles in Crunchyroll. So if you're looking to add multiple profiles in your Crunchyroll account, for example your friends or family, to watch different shows over here together with them, so unfortunately it is not possible through a direct way, since Crunchyroll doesn't have the option to add multiple profile into your account. But all you can do is just click on try premium section from the top right, and over here you will see these mega fans option, in which you will have the option to stream up to 4 devices at a time, and in the ultimate fan option you will have the option to stream on up to a 6 device. So that means that you will be able to share a particular account, a premium version, with your friends if you purchase this mega fan option or ultimate fan option. So this is the only way through which you will be able to share your profile or add different people in your profile in order to watch Crunchyroll together. So this is how simple it is to add profile in your Crunchyroll account. I hope I'm able to help you regarding your query. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.